Hey everybody, these are Danver carrots, and it's been about 75 days since I sowed these from seed, and I was just digging around in there. It looks like I've got a decent sized top to this carrot. I don't know how big it is, how long it is, so if you look right down in there you can see it's pretty good size. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this, and let's see how big it is. Not very long. Pretty thick though. So too bad, I guess. Alright, that's it. Back here looks like it could be harvested too. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that one. Let's see what that one looks like. Set you back here a little bit. Alright. That's not bad. So this is a Danver carrot. That's the biggest carrot I've ever grown. Between these two. Not too bad. Alright. Thanks for watching.